Well, howdy there, Internet people. It's Belle again. So today, we're going to talk about Trump telling Walmart to eat his tariffs. Well. If it isn't the consequences of my own policies. The tariffs are forcing Walmart to raise prices, which is what economists said would happen, but Trump said wouldn't. Now, he's saying Walmart should just eat the tariffs and not raise prices. Saying, quote, Walmart should stop trying to blame tariffs as the reason for raising prices throughout the chain. Walmart made billions of dollars last year, far more than expected. Between Walmart and China, they should, as is said, eat the tariffs and not charge valued customers anything. I'll be watching, and so will your customers. Eat my tariffs, man. Yes. Walmart makes billions. Walmart makes its money by moving hundreds of millions of items per day at very low net profit margins. But since they're doing such a high volume, they make a fortune. They have a very tiny net profit margin, but that's net profit margin. What about the gross profit margin, which is what they make over the cost of goods? It's normally about 25%, just a little bit under. The now effective tariff rate on products from China is 30%. Do the math. Add 30% to the cost. That would give Walmart a roughly negative 5% gross profit margin. Not raising prices will probably result in Walmart going into the red. Walmart is the largest private employer in the U.S. So since Trump didn't understand the impact of tariffs, despite every economist telling him, his new plan will probably result in layoffs. If they can't raise prices to meet the product cost, they have to cut other costs. I'm not saying this in defense of a multi-billion-dollar multinational corporation. I'm saying this to point out that if a giant like Walmart can't handle it without raising prices, there's zero chance for mom and pop places. Tariffs raise prices. That's their whole job. Even the 30% tariff, which Trump and company is trying to paint as moderate, is threatening America's largest retailer unless they raise prices. This was 100% predictable. It was predicted. The problem for MAGA on this one is that they've been so successful at just repeating the party line and wearing Americans down that they think they can do it with this. This is math. The math doesn't care about your rhetoric. If Trump's economic policies stand, Walmart has three options: raise prices, lay off people, or go under. Now let's say they cut staff and investments to keep prices the same. What happens next? They probably won't show growth, along with a bunch of other companies. What happens to their stock price if they don't show growth? When the market drops, people's retirements drop. The economy slows. Just like Trump's massive tariffs themselves, this will not work. Anyway, it's just a thought. Y'all have a good day.